Hey, this is Regis from regismarketer.com. I'm an attraction marketer with 12 experience in online marketing. I help entrepreneurs build marketing system, run ads, and help network marketers how to use automated system to grow their business. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I went from network marketing failure to be able to rank up 3 times in 103 months without selling to warm market. I've done 4 network marketing before, all of them failed. Okay, what I did last time was my sponsor asked me to make a list of warm market like everyone else and invite people to come out to do the presentation. They are selling us dream, can't teach us how to actually do it. They told you how they came to the way that you do it. As a result, no one bought my product and no one joined me. In this way, what you face is being rejected all the time. And then your list is limited. What you will do if your name list run up already? Almost everyone doesn't know what to do to get new leads. Okay, and then they will teach you to find stranger and send flyer on the street. Okay, and then you will find that you are more pitty than a cleaner. Now is the era of internet. Still using the traditional method is waiting to die. The internet can reach any corner of the world quickly. Okay, now through this failure, I spent 5 figures on learning how to run a business online effectively. I learned attraction marketing from overseas marketer. This method allowed me to turn around from failure. This method has been working very well. So what I have learned? Number one, you need to define your target market. You need to clearly know who your target customer and target partner are. If you want to sell to everyone, it will be difficult for you to sell because you don't know what problem or needs they are facing. Almost all novices don't know how to dig out your audience problem or needs, so they keep talking about product. So they get rejected all the time. And I was the same before. Do you know that if you know how to marketing, you can attract those who are facing problem or have needs to come to you automatic. You don't need to chasing after them. Number two, to build a personal brand. Because people join people, people buy value. You need to show out what value you have in you, why they need to buy from you, what benefit they will get when joining your team. They will be willing to buy from you or join you, not because of what product you sell or what company you are. Number three, you need to be an expert rather than a salesperson because the market is very competitive. Your peers and competitors are doing the same thing as you, selling the same thing. Almost all are salesperson, and salesperson are everywhere. So how do we stand out? To stand out, you need to do things differently from the others. So your target market will notice you that you are attractive. So now you understand what you need to do to avoid failure in network marketing. I hope my experience can help you to shorten your success in network marketing. If your sponsor cannot show you how to actually grow a business, cannot help you to succeed, I can. I have a system in place for you to plug into to grow your business faster. I'm looking to work with 10 network marketers to build a global business with my opportunity. If this is you, click the link in the description to learn more. Do you get value from this video? I hope you did. Drop me a comment. Let me know what you like most. Like and share the video to help more network marketers to stop failure in network marketing. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you for watching and I will see you on the next video.